How does the family contribute to the stability of society? Talcott Parsons' functionalist perspective sheds light on the vital roles the family plays in socializing children and stabilizing adult personalities. Parsons posited that the family performs essential functions that contribute to the overall stability and equilibrium of society. It is responsible for the socialization of children and the stabilization of adult personalities. Socialization is the process through which individuals internalize the norms and values of society. For Parsons, the family is the primary agent of socialization during early childhood. Children learn cultural norms and values, integrating them into society, thus maintaining social order. Parsons identified the family's role in stabilizing adult personalities. The warm bath theory suggests the family provides emotional support and a relaxing environment for adults, helping them cope with external pressures and fulfill societal roles effectively. Parsons discussed the functional fit between the family and society. He argued that the predominant family type changes as society evolves. In modern industrial societies, the nuclear family is small, mobile, and capable of specialized socialization required by such societies. In modern industrial societies, the nuclear family performs primary socialization and stabilization of adult personalities. Other institutions have taken over many functions previously managed by extended families, allowing the nuclear family to focus on its core functions, contributing to society's efficiency and stability. Critics argue that the functionalist perspective idealizes the family, overlooking potential dysfunctions, inequalities, and the diversity of contemporary family forms. Nonetheless, Parsons' work remains foundational in understanding the family's role within social structures and functions. Thank you for joining us in exploring Parsons' functionalist perspective on the family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.